Before the rise of factories and mass production, supply chains were incredibly local. People lived in small communities. They often traded goods directly with each other. This system was called bartering. A farmer might trade a basket of eggs for a new pair of shoes from the cobbler. Early trade routes like the Silk Road connected different parts of the world. These routes allowed for the exchange of luxury goods and spices. However, journeys were long and perilous. Transportation was limited to animals, carts, and ships. Communication was slow and unreliable. This meant that supply chains were simple and localized. There was little need for complex logistics or management systems. Despite their simplicity, these early supply chains were essential for the development of human civilization. They allowed for the sharing of resources and ideas. This, in turn, led to greater cultural exchange and economic growth. The development of agriculture was a crucial turning point for early supply chains. As humans transitioned from nomadic hunter-gatherers to settled farmers, they began to produce surpluses of food. These surpluses could then be traded with others, leading to the development of specialized roles within society. The emergence of cities as centers of trade further stimulated the evolution of supply chains. Urban centers created a higher demand for goods and services, which in turn encouraged the development of more sophisticated systems for production, transportation, and distribution. These early forms of supply chains, though rudimentary compared to modern standards, laid the foundation for the complex global networks we see today. The Industrial Revolution marked a significant turning point in the history of supply chains. The invention of new machines, like the steam engine, revolutionized production. Factories emerged capable of producing goods on a mass scale. This new era of mass production demanded a radical change in how goods were moved and managed. Railways and steamships made transporting goods faster and more efficient. Canals and improved roads further enhanced connectivity. The development of the telegraph also revolutionized communication, allowing for faster and more reliable information exchange. These innovations led to the emergence of more complex supply chains. Raw materials could be transported to factories more efficiently. Finished goods could then be distributed to wider markets. This period also saw the rise of new management practices. Businesses needed better ways to organize their production processes and manage their increasingly complex supply chains. The Industrial Revolution transformed supply chains from localized systems into integrated networks. This set the stage for the globalized economy we know today. The rise of industrial capitalism went hand in hand with these developments. Larger corporations emerged, seeking to maximize efficiency and profits. This led to further innovations in supply chain management, as businesses sought to streamline their operations and gain a competitive edge. The Industrial Revolution was a period of immense technological advancement and social change. Its impact on supply chains was profound, shaping the way goods are produced, transported, and consumed to this day. The latter half of the 20th century ushered in the digital age. This new era brought about another seismic shift in the evolution of supply chains. Computers and software revolutionized how businesses operated. This led to the development of sophisticated systems for managing every aspect of the supply chain. From procurement and production to inventory management and distribution, digital technologies brought about unprecedented levels of efficiency and control. The rise of the internet and e-commerce further accelerated these trends. Consumers could now order goods from anywhere in the world with a few clicks. This created a surge in demand for faster and more reliable shipping, pushing companies to further optimize their supply chains. Companies like Amazon emerged as giants in this new landscape, pioneering innovative logistics and delivery models that have become the industry standard. The digital age also saw the rise of globalization. Manufacturing became increasingly outsourced to countries with lower labor costs. This led to the development of truly global supply chains, with parts and products being sourced, manufactured, and shipped from all corners of the world. While globalization brought about many benefits, it also highlighted the vulnerabilities of complex, interconnected systems. Disruptions in one part of the world could now ripple through entire supply chains, causing delays and shortages. This interdependence has driven a growing need for greater supply chain resilience and risk management strategies. As we move deeper into the 21st century, supply chains continue to evolve at an unprecedented pace. Several key trends are shaping the future of how goods are produced, moved, and consumed. Resilience has become paramount. The COVID-19 pandemic exposed the fragility of global supply chains. Businesses are now prioritizing risk mitigation and diversification. This includes strategies like nearshoring and reshoring, bringing production closer to consumers to reduce reliance on long, complex supply chains. Sustainability is another major focus. Consumers are increasingly demanding ethically sourced and environmentally friendly products. This is driving a shift towards circular economy models. These models prioritize reducing waste, reusing materials, and minimizing the environmental impact of supply chains. Technology continues to play a transformative role. Artificial intelligence, blockchain, and the Internet of Things are just some of the technologies being integrated into supply chains. These innovations offer the potential for even greater efficiency, transparency, and automation.